Hi there. According to R.B. Jones in 1995, mathematics was nothing but a set of practical techniques till it came in the hands of the Greeks. It's the Greeks who are responsible for converting maths from a set of practical tools to this huge systematic body of knowledge which keeps growing by leaps and bounds every day. They brought in the whole perspective of deductive logic on which mathematics was based, and therefore, because it was completely based on logic, they gave it a very high place in the various bodies of knowledge that we learn. And therefore, in the class, a lot of questions need to be asked which push this sense of logic to maths. Questions which go around why, what, where, who. Why do you think the answer here is 2? Justify your procedure. Instead of saying your answer is right or wrong, can you tell me how did you arrive at it? What is the logic behind 3 plus 4 is 7? Could be as simple as that, or the formula for the discriminant of a quadratic equation. What do you think is the use of it? How do you know this is the answer? And one of my favorites is explain your solution. Instead of having a single question and a single way of solving it, letting students use different methods or the methods of their choice, or even exposing them to different methods and asking them, which one is your favorite? Have you used another one? Can you explain what your solution is like? And this is what pushes the logic of the subject down the minds of the students. And mathematics becomes a class which is very fertile creatively. Instead of that very dry rules and questions, it becomes a class where the children learn to think for themselves using logic. As some of my students who I meet today who are really grown up and all mature, they say that you not only gave us a framework to learn maths, you gave us a framework to understand life. And a life built around logic is, I think, a decent life. So ask questions, ask why, how, what, where, who, anything of any question can be created using these. And watch the logic of maths go deep into the minds of the students. Thank you so much for listening. Do share with us whatever your thoughts are, and happy teaching from Humane Maths.